The 8 logical inferences that prove the existence of the greatest creator. Part 2. 4. Everything is connected by cause and effect, and every effect has a cause. The initial cause of all causes is the greatest creator. We've all had headaches before. Although the causes of each person's headache may be different, there is always a cause, and there is never a headache for no reason. Regardless of what kind of disease a person has, the disease always has a cause, even congenital diseases. There should be no dispute about this. Similarly, typhoons, tornadoes, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, sandstorms, SARS viruses, etc., all have their reasons for occurring. The Second World War, the Crusades, the Middle East wars, etc., all have reasons and will not occur for no reason. Many Jews were killed during World War II, the Titanic hit an iceberg, the World Trade Center in the United States was bombed, the Soviet Union disintegrated, Hong Kong was reclaimed, and Saddam's regime was forcibly removed. All of these events had their reasons. Does the Earth not orbit the Sun and the Moon not orbit the Earth for a reason? Do plane crashes, train collisions, collapsed buildings, and floods not have a reason? Do being condemned by thousands, losing one's family and possessions, being imprisoned, and dying from unfortunate events not have a reason? Do having sores on the head and pus flowing from the feet, being deaf and blind, and losing limbs not have a reason? Do tigers hunting deer, birds catching insects, pigs being slaughtered, and people encountering unexpected misfortunes not have a reason? Did the ancient civilizations of the Maya, Greece, Egypt, Rome, Syria, Persia, and Babylon disappear without a reason? Did the rise of the new American civilization not have a reason? In the inevitable article of Lifechanyuan corpus, I listed the following phenomena. The rise of wind and waves, the ebb and flow, the rising of clouds and falling of rain, snow and mist, thunder and lightning, tsunamis, typhoons, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, floods, sandstorms, the disappearance of birds, sunrise and sunset, rainbows, eclipses, the changing of the seasons, the migration of birds, the hibernation of frogs and snakes, the morning song of the skylark, the crowing of the rooster, the proliferation of insects, the multiplication of bacteria, birth in the spring and growth in the summer, harvesting in autumn and storage in winter, the entanglement of vines, the fragrance of the cinnamon tree, the blooming and falling of flowers, the sunflowers facing the sun, the drifting of continents, the splitting of the earth's crust, the melting of snow-covered mountains, the disappearance of small islands, changes in the course of rivers, landslides in mountains, the increasing height of peaks, the weathering of rocks, the crisscrossing of gullies, the shifting of sand dunes, springs emerging from rocks, waterfalls hanging from cliffs, and the transportation of sand by rivers, the appearance of deltas, and so on, all have a reason. Whether in the sky or on Earth, all phenomena or results have a reason, and we cannot find a phenomenon or result without any reason. If the reason for the appearance of life on Earth is due to the existence of the Earth and the solar system, and the reason for the creation of the solar system is because of the existence of the Milky Way, then what is the reason for the birth of the Milky Way? If we continue to trace it back, we will know that at the beginning of the universe, there must have been a first cause, and that cause, the dynamic force, is the greatest creator.